Hello everyone, welcome to this video. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a location on your Facebook page. So in order to add a location to your Facebook page, literally all you need to do is go to the bottom right corner of your screen and click on those three little stripes right here at menu. Then what you need to do is you need to scroll it that bit down until you find settings and privacy, and you need to click on settings just like this. What you then want to do is you want to scroll down again, and right here you will see profile details where you want to click on. Then you will see right here places lived, and literally right here you can click on add current city. So for example, I currently live in New York, then all I do is type in New York just like this, click on save, and that's how you can literally just add a location over to your Facebook page. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.